right.
Okay, so thank you guys for sharing. Just is a discussion. Just chatting a little bit about. But before we go, I would like for you guys to take a turn. And tell us a little bit about because sometimes when you're talking to people, it's like you're lecturing at them or you have not gone through it. If you can just give us a little bit of your your history here. You are all doctors in your field. That means you are experts in your fields, and how you got here and the hope that nowadays I have cousins back home. They don't want to come to overseas. So it does not matter where you are now. You're still gonna have to go through some tough times, whether you are home or here. So if there are words that you can encourage our viewers, the way you walk your walk and what they can go through, but persevere so that they can also succeed. Yes. So Dr. Antonia.